In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate DoorDash account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to confirm the request so your account is successfully deactivated without confusion. Start by opening your web browser and going to DoorDash.com. Sign into your account so you can access your settings. Once you're logged in, look for the account option. On the website, you'll usually find it near the top of the page. If you're using the mobile app instead, the flow is similar. Just tap Account in the menu so you're viewing your profile and settings. Next, open the area that controls your personal details and preferences. On the website, this is labeled Manage Account. Click Manage Account to see all of the options related to your profile, security, and data. This page is where DoorDash keeps the tools for deactivation and deletion. Now scroll down until you find the option that says Deactivate Account or Delete Account. The wording can vary, but it leads to the same place, starting the process to remove your account. Click that option to continue. Before you move forward, it's a good idea to make sure you don't have any active orders, pending refunds, or unused credits, since deactivation will interrupt your ability to use the service. If you have an active subscription, you may see on-screen prompts about it as part of this process. You'll be asked to confirm that you want to proceed. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. DoorDash may ask you to choose a reason for leaving. Just select the one that best fits your situation and continue. This step helps them process your request and improve their service, but it doesn't affect your ability to deactivate. For security, DoorDash will verify your identity. A one-time code will be sent to the phone number or email associated with your account. Check your messages or inbox, enter the code exactly as shown, and submit it to confirm. If you don't see the code right away, give it a moment, check your spam or junk folder, or use the resend option if available. Once you've entered the code and confirmed, your deactivation will be completed. You'll typically be signed out right away, and you may receive an email confirming the change. That's it. Your DoorDash account has been deactivated. If anything on your screen looks different, just follow the prompts you see. The key steps are the same. Go to Account, open Manage Account, choose Deactivate or Delete, confirm your request, verify with the code, and finalize.